And what's up, guys? Welcome back. It's your boy Mondo. On today's episode we have 2015 Challenger RT. I'm pretty sure I started this a while back and I showed you guys the baseline pulls, but if I didn't, this is a 2015 5.7. We did do a comp 270 cam. So the problem with that cam is it's for really high RPMs, but it is a VVT, so it allows me to keep some of that low end torque. I'm already half a day into this and it was absolutely kicking my ass trying to get that torque. So we did end up getting it back, but not as much as it was stock. So I started doing my research on this cam. Turns out this cam is made for really high RPMs. This thing revs out to 7,000. So if you guys know, it's a Hemi. We did put upgraded valve springs, so we can rev it up a little higher than I usually do. But I'm going to limit it to 63, 6400. And this is about to be the pull where I'm revving at that high. So far, I'm down around 15, 20 foot-pounds down low. But up top, I've increased quite a bit. And horsepower, I'm upwards of 30. Even more the higher I go into the RPMs. So obviously, because that's how much the stock cam was limiting us at that RPM. But yes, this is going to be a high revving monster. So let's check it out. So yeah, that's pretty much what a comp cam 270 sounds at 750 RPMs. It is automatic, so it has a stock converter. Unfortunately, we lose some of that chop when we put it in gear, as you guys will hear right now. So check it out. I guess not. They're calling me a liar today. But overall, it's a pretty great cam. It is for high RPMs though, so keep that in mind. Alright guys, so I just got done with the pool. This is going to be the first car, being a 5.7 with a stock manifold, that I've seen if we did keep making power up there. We're about to go check it out as soon as this compressor shuts down, because you guys aren't going to be able to hear me. But overall, from what I'm seeing from here, from the inside of the car to the chart, it's really hard to see on the screen. But from what I'm seeing is it seems to have started to plateau. So a lot of this has to do with that we're still running the 2.5-inch exhaust, and it's a stock unported manifold. So after doing some research, apparently this manifold is supposed to be good for RPMs, and if we want to get the low end torque back, we will need to swap in the 6.4 manifold and activate the runners, because that's what will give us that torque back. But this is what I was talking about. So as per usual, solid line, stock pool. Well, this was stock with headers and colder intake. So yes, this cam did lose a lot of torque. Right here we lost 316, 346, 30, but as we started getting higher in the RPMs, we started making more, and we didn't have this crazy dip in power or torque now. So overall, at peak power before, we were at 350, now we're at 387. So that's around 37 horsepower. Foot-pounds, it's not much peak that we gained. Actually, we didn't even pass the previous peak, so we are pretty low on torque. But overall, this car should feel pretty amazing. Like I said, it's gonna be a high revving car. Unfortunately, we did lose some of that low end torque, but overall I'm about wrapped up with it. We will link in this video to Ulises. He was here earlier with Noah, the owner of the car, and he has his video going on, so I will get with him. It's a little collab we have going on, so hopefully we'll be seeing more collaborations with different guys. Last time I had a collaboration was with FSR, and that's my boy Tete. He has one of the fastest EcoBoost Mustangs, and it's currently being built. I will link in his account right here, and then from there, overall, I appreciate all the support you guys give me. Leave a like, leave a comment, please subscribe. Let's keep it going, guys. We've come quite a long way. We just hit 209 subscribers a while back, and hopefully we can continue moving forward. We want to keep moving. We want to keep bringing you more quality videos and stuff, but we need that motivation, guys. So please subscribe, please like, and leave a comment. Let's just keep it going. Overall, this will conclude today's video. Thank you guys for stopping in, and I'll see you next week.